Hi everyone, I am Mansi and I am a project management apprentice at Google. A lot of you are asking me if you have any more insights on Google Online Challenge. So here I am, even though this video was not on my list to create, but I found few tips that I can share with you today. And this video is not only for just project management apprenticeships, but it's about all the four apprenticeships. So if you are from any other track, you can still follow along in this video. So first of all, if you will receive this test link even only if your resume will get shortlisted. And I know in a previous video a lot of you got terrified that it says submitted or it says updated 2 days ago, 3 days ago instead of under review. It's fine, it's okay, you don't have to worry about it. You are still in the process, it will take time. This time it's even more long journey, so you have to be patient. If it says not proceeding, then only you have to worry about it. Okay, and let's first talk about software application development apprenticeship. So when you receive this test link, you can find at least two DSA questions, which will be easy to medium level. And if you have basic knowledge of DSA, I'm sure you can clear it. I had a conversation with one of the software application development apprentice, and he mentioned that the questions are very easy and anybody can do it if they have some sort of skills or some sort of experience doing DSA. So you don't have to worry about it. Additionally, he mentioned that you can practice few lead code questions also, which is easy to medium level, and you are good to go. Now let's talk about other three apprenticeships, which is project management apprenticeship, data analytics apprenticeship, and digital business marketing apprenticeship. Again, I had a conversation with other two apprenticeships people, and then they told me that the test which I can relate, which I could figure out, is that these three apprenticeships will have similar kind of questions, which is again maths, reasoning, and English, which I mentioned in my previous video, the topics and all. So you can watch that. And the difficulty level is again easy. It is not tough, easy to medium level. All these four apprenticeship tests are going to be 30 minutes only. So you have less time. I don't want you guys to think about anything else when you're giving this test, and find the right time for you. The time will be, I think, 3 to 4 days for you to attempt this test. So you can figure out a right time for you and then only attempt this test. Now, the last question, and a lot of you were asking me, was it proctored or not? So as my experience, when I had given my test, there was no camera, there was no microphone, but again we are not 100% sure that this time it will follow the same thing. Probably they can be proctored, it can be proctored, but again I am not 100% sure, nobody else is. So but I'm telling you, as per my experience, there was no camera, there was no microphone. It was just 30-minute test to test you, and you can just attempt it because it's easy. And I don't want you guys to think about anything else. Can I cheat? If somebody was asking me, I don't know, guys. I was not. I was. It was easy. I mean, you can do it. And one of you was asking me if I can open the tab, another tab. Will it shut down my test or not? I don't know. I have no idea about that. I won't recommend doing it. What if something else happened and your test will get closed or whatever? Maybe a minor, mistake can lead to your rejection. I don't want you guys to do that. So prepare well. For resources, again, you can check out YouTube channels. I am sure there are a lot of other YouTube channels that you can figure out, or maybe some online, you can find some website or links that you can practice basic questions only in general, just to test you. The main thing is interview, so I want you guys to clear this round with whatever you can do. Just complete this round, because interview is something, there will be less people, so you have more chances to compete. Here in this test there will be a lot of people joining, so I don't want you guys to just left behind with whatever things you are thinking about cheating and all. So that's all from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask me and I will reply to all the comments. And if you can, DM me on LinkedIn as well, or you can book one-on-one call with me. The link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.